To make orange peel candied crisp cookies, get everything prepared ahead of time. This is a very quick recipe. So preheat the oven for 375 Fahrenheit, 180 centigrade, and butter those pans. I suggest 2. Now let's start to bake the cookie dough. We want to start with creaming the butter and sugar together until very light and fluffy. Then take out your candied orange peel and cut it into small pieces. Also, take some of the syrup and put that in. Alternatively, you could use orange zest and orange juice, but the peel sure is good. Give it a try. Then we want to sift together our baking powder and our flour. Add also the egg yolk and add the peel, and you'll see we get a really sticky texture. That's what we want. Go ahead and beat it all the way until we get there. Now we're ready to roll out the dough. So roll that to about 1/4 of an inch to about 1/8 of an inch. A good meaty size, about the size of a shortbread cookie, as that's really a lot of what this is. That's why it's so tender. Cut it out, and as you can see here, I've chosen a round shape, which I do prefer to have a good even bake on these because they are so tender and so quick. So consider making them round, though of course they'll take any shape. Now the important part, we are going to now make a sugar top. So we take that remaining egg white and then we put it in the sugar dredge. And you'll see here that I really smack it down into that sugar dredge, as I find it makes a really nice crackly top. Learned this from my dad, and it really works so much better than just being gentle about it. So go ahead and put that sugar on. So good. Then we take those, make sure they're well coated, and then we just put them on to the baking pans. So these are all now ready to go. A little bit of space in between them as they do grow a little bit. And then we put them in the oven for a really quick amount of time and bring them out. Let them sit on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes so they crisp up on the bottom and really have time to keep their shape. Then just cool them down and they are ready to eat. So delicious, probably the best tasting cookie you will ever eat.